Don't you ever wonder what your future self will look like? What if I told you that the life you envision, filled with independence, vitality, and joyful movement, could be slipping away right now without you even realizing it? The truth is, many people don't prepare for their later years, and sadly, their golden age is often spent in avoidable misery. But what if there was a way to not just prevent that decline, but to actively reverse it, giving you back control over how you age? This isn't just about avoiding a struggle to climb stairs or feeling a bit unsteady on your feet. It's a profound warning that your independence, mobility, and even your longevity are fundamentally at risk. Yet here's the truly shocking part. This bleak future doesn't have to be your reality. Imagine discovering the simple yet incredibly powerful secrets, the right foods, the most effective exercises, and a few transformative habits that could not only halt this decline but put you on a path to feeling younger and stronger than you have in years. Stay with us, because what you're about to uncover could fundamentally change your entire aging journey, unlocking a future you might have thought was impossible. Aging can often feel like a slow, inevitable betrayal. One day, you might be effortlessly active, and the next, simple movements become a struggle. This decline in strength, balance, and overall mobility doesn't have to be a predetermined fate. There are accessible, science-backed strategies you can adopt to maintain strong legs, sharp balance, and a body that feels vibrant and youthful, regardless of your chronological age. The journey begins with understanding why our most foundational muscles, those in our legs, tend to weaken over time. After the age of 30, we begin to lose muscle mass at a rate of approximately 3 to 5% per decade, a process known as sarcopenia, which accelerates significantly after 60. This isn't just about shrinking muscles. It also involves decreased bone density, reduced cushioning in our joints, and less efficient communication between our nerves and muscles. The cumulative effect is increased weakness, instability, and a heightened risk of falls, which, alarmingly, are a leading cause of injury-related deaths in older adults. However, the truly empowering news is that you can actively combat this process, and it all starts by focusing on 3 pivotal areas: nutrition, exercise, and smart lifestyle choices. Consider your legs as the absolute foundation of your entire physical structure. Just as a house crumbles without a strong base, your body's stability and function are compromised if your legs are weak. They are the literal engine that carries you through every step of life, but their significance extends far beyond mere walking or standing. Strong, healthy legs are profoundly linked to a longer, more vibrant life for several compelling reasons. Firstly, your legs house some of the largest and most powerful muscles in your body, your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. These aren't just for aesthetics, they are powerhouses designed to support your entire body. When these muscles are robust, they alleviate pressure on your joints, significantly reduce your risk of injury, and help you maintain impeccable posture. Conversely, when they weaken, a cascade of issues can begin. Your knees and hips bear more stress, often leading to pain and arthritis. Your lower back compensates, frequently resulting in chronic discomfort, and your overall mobility declines, making it increasingly difficult to stay active and independent. Beyond the physical support, the health of your legs plays a crucial, often overlooked role in your cardiovascular well-being. Your leg muscles essentially function as a second heart, actively pumping blood back up to your torso with every step you take. This mechanism is particularly vital as you age, given that poor circulation can lead to a host of problems, from swollen ankles to dangerous blood clots. By keeping your leg muscles strong, you are effectively providing your heart with invaluable assistance, enhancing blood flow throughout your body, and significantly reducing your risk of heart disease. Furthermore, strong legs are your body's primary defense against falls, which, as mentioned, are a leading cause of injury and even fatality in older adults. Millions of individuals over 65 experience falls annually, and many never fully regain their previous level of function. These aren't just random accidents, they are frequently the direct consequence of weak legs and compromised balance. By proactively strengthening your legs, you're not merely improving your stability, you're actively safeguarding your independence against one of its greatest threats: Perhaps one of the most astonishing benefits of maintaining strong legs is their profound impact on your cognitive health. Research consistently demonstrates a close link between leg strength and brain function. For instance, a study published in the journal Gerontology revealed that older adults with more powerful legs perform notably better on memory and problem-solving tests. The underlying reason lies in the fascinating communication between your leg muscles and your brain. These muscles send vital signals that stimulate the production of new neurons. In essence, strong legs can quite literally contribute to keeping your brain sharp and youthful. And then there's the longevity factor. Numerous studies have consistently indicated that individuals with stronger legs tend to live longer, healthier lives. A compelling study from King's College London even found that leg power was a more accurate predictor of aging than any other biomarker, including blood pressure or cholesterol levels. This is because strong legs are a clear indicator of an active, engaged lifestyle, one that maintains your body and mind in peak condition. Therefore, when we emphasize the importance of strong legs, we're not just discussing the avoidance of aches and pains. We're talking about preserving your independence, protecting your heart, sharpening your mind, and quite literally adding quality years to your life. Your legs are the engine that powers your entire existence, and by nurturing them, you are profoundly investing in your future self. The foundation of maintaining robust leg strength and overall mobility lies in what you consume. Nutrition plays a monumental role. First and foremost, protein is indispensable. Your muscles are primarily composed of protein, and as we age, our bodies become less efficient at utilizing it for muscle building and repair. This necessitates a higher protein intake for older adults, ideally aiming for about 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. Excellent sources include lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and dairy products. Complementing your protein intake with foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, is also crucial, as omega-3s are potent anti-inflammatory agents that help protect your joints and muscles. Next in line are vitamin D and calcium, a dynamic duo essential for bone health. Without adequate vitamin D, your body struggles to absorb calcium effectively, leading to weaker bones and an elevated risk of fractures. While sunlight, fatty fish, and fortified foods provide some vitamin D, many individuals, particularly during winter months, may require supplementation. Calcium-rich foods like dairy products, leafy greens, and almonds are also vital for strong bones. Furthermore, don't overlook the power of antioxidants found abundantly in foods like berries, spinach, and nuts. These compounds actively combat oxidative stress, a significant contributor to muscle aging. Finally, and crucially, hydration cannot be overstated. Your muscles are approximately 75% water, and even mild dehydration can trigger weakness and fatigue. Aim for at least 8 cups of water daily, increasing your intake if you are physically active. To delve deeper into specific nutritional powerhouses for leg strength and muscle mass, consider incorporating eggs, which offer a complete protein profile containing all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle synthesis and repair, along with vital nutrients like choline. Greek yogurt is another excellent choice, providing high protein content alongside probiotics that promote gut health, thereby enhancing nutrient absorption, crucial for muscle fuel. Salmon stands out as a nutritional powerhouse, rich in high-quality protein, anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids that aid muscle recovery, and vitamin D for calcium absorption and bone health. Quinoa, an ancient grain, serves as a complete protein and provides complex carbohydrates for sustained energy during workouts, plus magnesium for optimal muscle function. Lentils offer a fantastic plant-based protein and fiber, regulating blood sugar and promoting satiety. Almonds make for a superb, muscle-healthy snack, packed with protein, healthy fats, and vitamin E, an antioxidant that mitigates muscle damage. Lastly, pumpkin seeds are a nutritional gem, loaded with protein, healthy fats, and magnesium, a mineral indispensable for proper muscle contraction and relaxation. By thoughtfully integrating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet, you're not merely feeding your muscles, You're arming your body with the essential tools it needs to remain strong, mobile, and remarkably resilient throughout your aging journey. Remember, the goal isn't to rely on a single miracle food, but rather to cultivate a balanced, nutrient-rich diet that comprehensively supports your overall health and muscle maintenance. While nutrition lays a vital groundwork, it is only one half of the equation for maintaining strong legs and sharp balance. To truly fortify your lower body, you absolutely must move, and specifically engage in exercises that target strength, stability, and coordination. Strength training is paramount. Incorporating weights or resistance bands can effectively rebuild muscle mass and enhance bone density. Focus on foundational leg exercises like squats, lunges, and leg presses, starting with lighter resistance and gradually increasing it as your strength improves. For balance, one of the most effective strategies involves exercises that intentionally challenge your stability. Try standing on one leg for 30 seconds, then switch sides. For an added challenge, close your eyes or attempt this on an unstable surface like a pillow. Practices like yoga and Tai Chi are also exceptionally beneficial for cultivating improved balance and coordination. A surprisingly enjoyable and effective option is rebounding, simply jumping on a mini trampoline. This low-impact activity is highly effective at strengthening leg muscles, enhancing balance, and even boosting lymphatic drainage, all while being significantly more engaging than many traditional exercises. Finally, never underestimate the profound benefits of walking. It's simple, free, and one of the best activities for both your legs and your overall health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week, and if you're feeling adventurous, try adding intervals of jogging to elevate your heart rate and build endurance. However, let's dive deeper into two often overlooked yet profoundly impactful areas: calf exercises and the remarkable benefits of using a rebounder. Your calves, though perhaps not the most glamorous muscles, are absolutely essential for your mobility, balance, and overall leg strength. The calf muscles, primarily the gastrocnemius and soleus, are crucial for fundamental movements like walking, running, and even maintaining stable standing posture. When these muscles are strong, they powerfully propel you forward, effectively absorb shock, and stabilize your ankles. Conversely, weakness in the calves leaves you more susceptible to injuries such as Achilles tendonitis, shin splints, and critically, falls. To fortify these vital muscles, simple yet highly effective exercises include calf raises, where you slowly rise onto your toes and hold before lowering. For an increased challenge, perform these on one leg or while holding light weights. Jump rope is another fantastic method, simultaneously strengthening your calves, improving coordination and agility, and delivering a significant cardiovascular workout. Stair climbing, whether on a machine or actual stairs, rigorously targets your calves and glutes while boosting cardiorespiratory fitness. For isolating the deeper soleus muscle, which is crucial for stability and endurance, seated calf raises at a gym can be particularly effective. Strong calves do more than just improve the appearance of your legs. They enhance your posture, dramatically reduce your risk of injury, and make everyday activities like walking and climbing stairs feel significantly easier. Moreover, strong calves are a cornerstone of good balance, which becomes increasingly indispensable as we age. Now, let's explore the magic of rebounding, a low-impact, high-reward exercise that is rapidly gaining recognition for its incredible array of benefits. Rebounding involves jumping on a mini trampoline, and while it might appear to be child's play, it is a truly potent workout for your legs and overall health. Every bounce actively engages your leg muscles, particularly your calves, quadriceps, and glutes, as they propel you upward and absorb the impact upon landing. This repetitive motion systematically builds both strength and endurance without placing undue strain on your joints. Furthermore, rebounding significantly improves your balance and coordination. The constant need to stabilize your body with each bounce hones these crucial skills over time, offering a profound advantage for older adults seeking to mitigate fall risks. Unlike the circulatory system, which is driven by the heart, the lymphatic system relies on bodily movement to function. Rebounding provides powerful stimulation to the lymphatic system, actively assisting your body in detoxification and boosting your immune response. It also serves as an excellent cardiovascular workout, elevating your heart rate, improving circulation, lowering blood pressure, and enhancing oxygen delivery to your cells. Crucially, rebounding is remarkably gentle on your joints. The trampoline mat absorbs much of the impact, significantly reducing injury risk compared to running or jumping on hard surfaces, while still delivering an effective workout. Beyond the physical benefits, rebounding is simply fun. The rhythmic bouncing motion triggers the release of endorphins, naturally elevating your mood and alleviating stress, adding a delightful element of playfulness to your fitness routine. To begin rebounding, all you need is a mini trampoline and a commitment of a few minutes each day. Start with gentle bounces and gradually increase the intensity as your confidence and strength grow, incorporating simple moves like jumping jacks or twists to keep your routine engaging. In summary, remember that aging doesn't have to equate to an inevitable loss of strength, balance, or independence. By intentionally focusing on nutrient-rich foods, emphasizing protein, omega-3s, and antioxidants, you can effectively fuel your muscles and protect your joints. By consistently incorporating strength training, dedicated balance exercises, and dynamic activities like rebounding, you can actively rebuild muscle, dramatically improve your stability, and profoundly boost your overall health. Through consistent effort and proactive choices, you can not only decelerate the aging process, but truly thrive through every stage of life. Your legs are worth every ounce of care, for they are the foundation of your vitality and the gateway to a vibrant future.